Welcome to Display Museum. I am Dr. Pan, the curator of museum.
Hello Dr. Pan, I'm Greg. I can see that OLED emits vivid colors, but how could it emit such colorful light?
Hello, Greg. The colors we can see are the wavelengths of the light, which are dependent on the organic materials and the structures we used. According to different formulas, the three primary colors, red, green, and blue, are created. Then some specific dye stuff is added to the basic colors to get the costume. The white is a combination of the red, blue, and green, etc. To understand the multicolored pattern we see on the screen, we have to introduce a familiar and basic unit to measure the resolution of a display, pixel. Nowadays, the high-definition videos we can see are 2K, 4K, and the latest 8K. As long as you can control the pixel, you can control everything on the display. Scientists invented TFT, thin film transistor, put it on the surface of OLED to control each pixel respectively. Each pixel of the three primary colors can achieve 256 brightness display in the gray level, completed more than 16 million colors. There are three different kinds of methods that we can get full color OLED light with TFT. 1 RGB, 3 colors illuminate in each pixel. Every pixel has the red, green, and blue colors, which are controlled by TFT respectively. The problem is the luminance value, and the serving time of red OLED is significantly lower than the other two colors. To color conversion, use the blue OLED only and light color conversion film to get the other two colors in each pixel. The problem is the light color conversion film will absorb the blue light in the exterior environment, which causes the decline of the contrast ratio and the quality of the display. 3. Color filter. Use the white OLED only and color filter to get primitive colors, red, green, and blue in each pixel. The problem is how to get the high efficient and high pure white OLED.
Dr. Pan, I'm wondering which kind of technology is the most promising.
It is uncertain. Based on the current situations, maybe it is the color filter technology. Because it is the maturest technology in the market so far, and it has been widely used by TFT LCD in colorful imaging for more than 20 years.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Now I got it.
Welcome to contact us if you have any question.